In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Booking.com account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll understand what to expect during the process. Before we begin, a quick heads up. Deleting your account is permanent. You'll lose access to your profile, past searches, saved properties, and loyalty benefits associated with your account. If you have active or upcoming reservations, refunds pending, or open claims, those can sometimes prevent deletion until they're resolved. It's also a good idea to download any invoices or receipts you might need later. With that in mind, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Booking.com website. You can do this on desktop or mobile, but the layout may look a little different. If you're using a mobile device, you might see more options hidden in the main menu. Either way, the process is the same. Next, click on My Account at the top of the page. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in. Use the credentials for the account you want to delete. It's worth double-checking you're in the right profile, especially if you've used more than one email with Booking.com. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your account area where you can manage settings. From here, head to Security Settings. This is where Booking.com places privacy, login, and account control options. If you're on a small screen and don't see it right away, expand the menu or look under Account Settings. Inside Security Settings, you'll typically find options for passwords, two-factor authentication, and, importantly, account deletion. Now, click on Delete Account. Booking.com will usually show a confirmation screen explaining what deleting your account means. Read that carefully. You may be asked to confirm your password or enter a verification code sent to your email or phone as a security check. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the deletion. If the system flags any active bookings or unresolved items, you'll see a message explaining what needs attention first. Once everything is cleared and you confirm, the deletion request will be submitted and you should receive a confirmation notice or email. That's it. You've navigated to Booking.com, opened My Account, gone into Security Settings, and selected Delete Account. If you ever decide to use Booking.com again, you can create a new account later, but your old data won't return. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped make the process straightforward and stress-free.